Do you want to make over $1,000 a day just using the internet? If yes, then this video might just be a game changer for you. These are not get rich. These are legit methods people around the world are using right now to earn serious money every single day. Let's dive right in. Today we're revealing 7 proven ways to make real money online. No hype, no fluff, just solid strategies that actually work. So make sure to watch till the end because 7 could completely change your life. 1. High ticket freelancing. Freelancing has been around for years, but the real money lies in high ticket freelancing, where you don't trade your time for a few bucks per hour but instead charge $1,000 or more per project. Now, how do you do that? First, focus on high income skills. Skills like copywriting, web design, video editing, SEO, funnel building, or sales consulting are in massive demand, and businesses are willing to pay premium prices for experts who deliver real results. Let's say you're a copywriter. Instead of charging $20 for a blog, position yourself as someone who writes sales pages or email sequences that generate revenue. Businesses happily pay $1,000 to $5,000 for that if you can show proof that your work converts. So, where do you find clients? You can start on freelancing platforms like Upwork, TopTal, or Fiverr Pro. But don't stop there. Use LinkedIn, cold emailing, and even Facebook groups to directly approach business owners. Show them what you can do, not just what you know. And here's a golden tip: build a solid portfolio. If you're just starting and don't have past clients, create mock projects. Redesign a famous brand's website, rewrite an ad campaign, edit a sample YouTube video. Make your work impossible to ignore. Clients don't just want effort, they want outcomes. If you can show that your skills bring real value, you can confidently charge high ticket prices. Freelancing is not about working harder, it's about working smarter, branding better, and delivering results that stand out. This is one of the fastest ways to hit that $1,000 day mark, and it doesn't require any investment, just your skill, strategy, and smart positioning. 2. Selling digital products. Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing you made money in your sleep. That's the magic of selling digital products. Once created, they require zero ongoing effort and they can sell 24/7 even when you're offline. So, what are digital products? They're things like ebooks, online courses, design templates, Notion systems, planners, stock photos, digital art, or even music samples. The best part, you create it once and it becomes a passive income machine. Let's say you're good at design. You can create Canva templates for Instagram posts, resumes, or social media planners. Package them, put them up for sale on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Creative Market and start earning. Are you organized and love productivity tools? Build a Notion dashboard for content planning or daily routines. There's a huge demand for that, especially from content creators and entrepreneurs. If you're knowledgeable in any area like fitness, finance, or even cooking, you can turn that into an online course using platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Podia. Once your course is live, people can buy and learn from you anytime. Marketing is the key. You can promote your digital products through a YouTube channel, Instagram page, email list, or even TikTok. Once you start driving traffic and building trust, sales become automatic. And here's the beauty of it: no shipping, no inventory, no customer support headaches like physical products. Your profit margins almost 90-100%. Many creators are making 500 to 1000 per day just from a single product that solves a real problem. So, if you want to earn while you sleep, consider creating a digital product that people want, need, and love to share. This is truly one of the smartest and most scalable ways to make money online. 3. Affiliate marketing. What if you could make money just by recommending products you already use and love? That's the power of affiliate marketing, one of the most passive and scalable income streams online. Here's how it works: you promote someone else's one product, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It could be a few dollars or even hundreds per sale, depending on the product. The best part, you don't have to create, ship, or support the product. You just focus on marketing. To get started, choose a niche you're interested in, like tech, health, personal finance, or productivity. Then build a content platform around it. This could be a YouTube channel, a blog, a TikTok or Instagram page, or even a newsletter. For example, If you love tech, you can review gadgets or software tools. In each video or article, include your affiliate links in the description. When someone clicks and buys, boom, you earn money. There are many trusted affiliate networks to join, like Amazon Associates, great for physical products, ClickBank, popular for digital courses and info products, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Impact, and more for a wide variety of brands. And don't forget platforms like Notion, Jasper AI, or ConvertKit that offer recurring commissions, meaning you earn every month a user stays subscribed. Pro tip: focus on products that solve real problems, have high demand, and ideally offer recurring income. One good video or blog post can generate commissions for months or even years to come. Affiliate marketing does take time to build, but once your content gains traction, it's like planting seeds that grow money trees. This is how thousands of creators make 1000 plus day quietly behind the scenes, all through honest recommendations. 4. YouTube automation. What if I told you that you could build a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or being on camera? Welcome to the world of YouTube automation. One of the smartest ways to earn 1000 plus per day with minimal effort. Here's how it works. You create faceless YouTube videos using stock footage, background music, AI generated voiceovers, and well written scripts. Popular niches include motivation, tech, personal finance, history, celebrity news, and more. These topics get millions of views and you don't need to be on screen. Let's break it down. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. Use Pictory or Canva to add visuals, stock clips, and video elements. Add AI voiceovers from tools like 11 Labs, Murph, or Wellsite. Edit your videos easily using tools like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Rush. Then upload consistently, maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and optimize your titles, thumbnails, and keywords for SEO. Once your channel starts getting views, you can monetize it in multiple ways. 1. AdSense revenue from YouTube ads. 2. Affiliate marketing by placing links in descriptions. 3. Sponsorships and brand deals once you have an audience. And the best part, once the content is published, it keeps making money for you day and night like digital real estate. Many creators run multiple faceless channels as a business, outsourcing script writing, editing, and voiceovers, turning YouTube into a fully automated income machine. So, if you're camera shy or just want to scale fast, YouTube automation is a golden opportunity. All you need is creativity, consistency, and the right tools, and you could be making $1000 a day or more without ever saying a word on camera. 5. Dropshipping with a twist. We've all heard about dropshipping, the idea of selling products online without ever holding inventory. But here's the thing, traditional dropshipping is super competitive now. What's actually working in 2025? Branded dropshipping, and it's a total game changer. Instead of selling generic products from random suppliers, you create a real brand around a niche. Use platforms like Shopify to build your online store and connect it with print on demand services like Printful or Printify. Here's how it works. You design custom products like t shirts, mugs, phone cases, or posters. When someone places an order, the product is automatically printed and shipped directly to them. No inventory, no hassle. You keep the profit margin between your retail price and the fulfillment cost. But the key is branding plus niche focus. Let's say you create a store focused on dog lovers or motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. Your messaging, designs, and content will resonate deeply with a targeted audience, making it easier to build loyalty and get repeat sales. Now, how do you drive traffic? Use TikTok organic, create short, engaging videos showing your products in action. One viral video can generate thousands in revenue. Or run paid Facebook, Instagram ads. Target your niche with compelling creatives. You can also use influencer marketing or Pinterest pins to get traffic with low cost. Pro tip: offer limited edition designs or seasonal themes to create urgency and boost sales compared to traditional dropshipping. Branded dropshipping gives you higher profit margins, stronger customer loyalty, and long term business potential. So, if you're ready to launch your own e commerce brand without dealing with warehouses or shipping, this method could be your ticket to $1000 day and beyond. 6. AI powered services. AI is not just a trend, it's a massive opportunity. Businesses today want fast, efficient, and affordable solutions, and AI can help you deliver all three. Welcome to the world of AI powered services, where you use AI tools to offer high demand services to clients and charge 500 to 2000 plus per month per client. What kind of services are we talking about? AI generated blog posts for businesses who want to boost their SEO, voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, or training content, using tools like 11 Labs, automated marketing campaigns with email sequences, ad copy, and landing pages powered by tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. AI customer support bots for websites and e commerce stores, giving instant replies 24/7. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert. With tools like ChatGPT for writing and ideation, Jasper for long form content and email campaigns, 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers, Midjourney for stunning visuals and graphics, you can deliver professional quality work in a fraction of the time it used to take. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick one AI powered service that aligns with your interest. 2. Build a portfolio, even if it's with demo projects. 3. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn, or reach out directly to businesses via email. 4. Focus on results. Businesses will gladly pay top dollar if you save them time and generate real outcomes. With minimal tools, low overhead, and high value delivery, this model is incredibly scalable. You can even automate and outsource some tasks once you grow. So, if you want to tap into the AI revolution, now's the time to offer AI powered services and earn 1000 plus per day, helping businesses thrive in the digital age. 7. Building and selling digital assets. Imagine creating something once and either making passive income from it or flipping it for a huge payday. That's the power of building and selling digital assets. What are digital assets? Think a niche blog generating income from ads and affiliate links, a mobile app that solves a simple problem, or even a Shopify store with steady traffic and sales. You build them once and they keep earning on autopilot. Here's where it gets even better. Once your digital asset starts generating consistent income, let's say 500, 1000 month, you can flip it for 10x to 30x its monthly profit.